I'm going to share a snippet from a recent market update for subscribers of my newsletter, Crypto is Easy, talking about how MicroStrategy stopped buying Bitcoin, at least for now, and what that means for our expectations. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and share with people you know. And to get the full update, click the link in the description below. Some people say MicroStrategy scaled back its buying. That's true as well. After a big splurge in November, we're talking huge, right? November, look at this. This is crazy. Just in November, right here, 5.4 billion, 4.6 billion. So there you go. You're at 10 billion, 12 billion, $12 billion. Yeah, they've scaled back. Then it was down to 1.5 or 2, 1.5 or 2. Now it's down to $500 million. Now down to $200 million. So yeah, they've cut back considerably. You would expect that because they kind of, they raised a lot of money in November and then they spent it. So until it can raise new money, the MicroStrategy, if it's going to buy, it can only buy trivial amounts, like huge amounts for us, but for a large entity like MicroStrategy, not significant. Saylor plans to ask for another 11 billion new shares to finance the effort, but that could take weeks, if not longer. And what they do is they issue the new shares so that people can buy the new shares. And then that becomes money that they then use to buy Bitcoin as part of their strategy. And they still have $24 billion earmarked for further Bitcoin purchases. The board will almost certainly approve the new shares. It's income. And since that money comes from investors, MicroStrategy has every reason to buy Bitcoin as soon as the metaphorical check clears. The question is, when does the check clear? I don't know if that means it's going to trigger something bigger than the kind of little momentary pump that we've gotten over the past month or so. But you have to understand, like that's going to be a boon to the market, at least in the short run. We're just not there yet. And that could take weeks.